Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maths Revision Classes by Karthik sir. So we were on triangles chapter. We have already covered basic proportionality theorem and converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now let's begin the next section of the chapter, that is similarity criteria for triangles. Now the first criteria of similarity that we need to study is angle, that is AAA criteria for similarity. Let's see what this criteria means. Let us consider two triangles ABC and triangle PQR. Now in these two triangles, if angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R, then I can say that the two triangles, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AAA similarity. Now as we already know that if two angles of a triangle are correspondingly equal to two angles of another triangle, then the third angle will automatically be equal according to the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So therefore we can also call AAA criteria as AA criteria also. So this type of criteria is also known as AA criteria. So we can write down, if angles of one triangle are correspondingly equal to the angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are said to be similar. This is angle criteria. Now let's see how we can prove this. Alright, now let's try to prove AAA criteria. We are given two triangles ABC and triangle DEF, in which angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle F. The corresponding angles of these two triangles are equal. We need to prove that these two triangles are similar. So if I am able to prove that the corresponding sides are proportional, then I am definitely able to prove that these two triangles are similar. So let's see how we can do it. In this we need to have a construction. So let's cut DP equals to AB and DQ equals to AC and join PQ. Let's cut DP equal to AB, and DQ equal to AC and join PQ. Now in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, we have angle A equal to angle D, it is already given. AB equal to DP we have taken, and AC equal to DQ. So therefore we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ, and the criteria for congruency will be SAS, side angle side. So in this manner we have proved that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ because angle A equal to angle D, AB equal to DP, and AC is equals to DQ. Now we can say that by CPCT angle B is equals to angle P and angle C is equals to angle Q by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now, but angle B is already equal to angle E and angle C is already equal to angle F. So, angle B is equals to angle E and angle C is equals to angle F. So, therefore, we can say that angle P is equals to angle E and angle Q is equals to angle F. Once I get angle P equal to angle E and angle Q equal to angle F, these two are corresponding angles. These are pairs of corresponding angles. So, therefore, I can say PQ is parallel to EF. So, this implies PQ is parallel to EF. Now, if PQ is parallel to EF, then by basic proportionality theorem, one can say that dP upon dE is equals to dQ upon dF by BPT, basic proportionality theorem. So, I hope this much is clear to everyone. So, once we get dP upon dE equal to dQ upon dF, I can simply replace dP by AB and dQ by AC. So, I got AB upon DE equals to AC upon DF. Now, similarly, we can prove that AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF. So, by these two results, one can say that AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equal to AC upon equal to AC upon DF. So, we were able to prove that the corresponding sides are proportional, and hence we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So, I hope this proof is clear to everyone. You may pause the video, understand it, and then note it down. Alright, now let's discuss the next theorem. Alright students, let's take up the next criteria for similarity of triangles, that is SSS, side criteria. Let us consider two triangles ABC and DEF. This criteria says that if sides of one triangle are correspondingly proportional to the sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are said to be similar. So, it's in mathematically, it simply states that if AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equal to AC upon DF, then I can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So, if the sides of the two triangles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. Now, let's try to prove this theorem. It is given that AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equals to AC upon DF. Now we need to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. In other words, if I am able to prove their corresponding angles are equal, then I can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now let's see the proof. Again we have to do the same construction here. I'll cut DP equals to DP equal to AB and DQ equal to AC and join PQ. So let's cut DP equal to AB and DQ equal to AC and join PQ. Now we already have AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equal to AC upon DF. This is already given. So I can write down, instead of AB I can write DP. So DP upon DE is equals to, and instead of AC I can write down DQ. So DQ upon DF. Now once I get DP upon DE equal to DQ upon DF, I can simply say that PQ is parallel to EF by converse of BPT. So one can say that PQ is parallel to EF by converse of BPT. So once I get PQ parallel to EF, I can say that angle P is equals to angle E and angle Q is equals to angle F. Now if angle P is equals to angle E and angle Q is equals to angle F, then triangles DPQ and triangle DEF are similar by AAA similarity. So one can say that triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF by AA similarity. Now if triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF, then we can say that DP upon DE equal to PQ upon EF equal to DQ upon DF. Now instead of DP I can write down AB. So AB upon DE equal to PQ upon EF equals to DQ is, I can write down AC upon DF. Instead of DQ I have written AC. But we also have AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF equals to AC upon DF. So from 1 and 2, I can simply say that PQ is equals to BC. So in this manner, we are able to prove that PQ equal to BC. Now we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ by SSS criteria for congruency. Let's write down. So in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, we already have AB equal to DP, AC equals to DQ and BC equal to PQ. We have already proved. So therefore I can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ by SSS criteria of congruency. Now once I have triangle ABC congruent to triangle DPQ, one can say that angle B equal to angle P and angle C is equals to angle Q. So also angle A equal to angle D. Angle A equal to angle D, angle B is equals to angle P and angle C is equals to angle Q. But we already had angle P is equals to angle E and angle Q is equals to angle F. So therefore one can say angle A equal to angle D, angle B equals to angle E and angle C is equals to angle F. So in this manner we are able to conclude that angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E and angle C is equals to angle F. So therefore I can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So in this manner we are able to prove the side criteria for similarity of triangles. Now let's take up the third and the last criteria for similarity, that is SAS. Alright students, so now let's take up the last criteria for similarity, that is SAS, side angle side criteria. Let us consider two triangles ABC and triangle DEF such that one angle of a triangle is equals to one angle of another triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional. So if I can say angle A equal to angle D and AB upon DE equals to AC upon DF, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by side angle side criteria. So if one angle of a triangle is equals to other angle of the one angle of another triangle, then and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are said to be similar. So here we have taken angle A equal to angle D and the sides containing these angles are AB, AC and DE and DF. So AB upon DE equal to AC upon DF and angle A equal to angle D, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now let's try to prove this theorem. It is given to us angle A equal to angle D and AB upon DE equal to AC upon DF. To prove is again triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, and let's see the proof. Now again for this also we have to have the same construction, that is cut DP equal to AB and DQ equal to AC and join PQ. So cut DP equals to AB and DQ equal to AC and join PQ. Now since I have AB equal to DP, AC equals to DQ and angle A equal to angle D, so one can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ by SAS criteria of congruency. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ by SAS, side angle side criteria of congruency. So by this we conclude that angle B equals to angle P and angle C is equals to angle Q. So angle B is equals to angle P and angle C is equals to angle Q. Now let's take up this ratio dP upon dE is equals to dQ upon dF, because we already had AB upon DE equal to AC upon DF. So I replaced AB by DP and I replaced AC by DQ because these two sides are equal. So we have DP upon DE equal to DQ upon DF. So one can say that PQ is parallel to EF by converse of BPT. So if PQ is parallel to EF, angle P is equals to angle E and angle Q is equals to angle F. The corresponding angles must be equal. But we have already proved that angle B equal to angle P and angle C is equals to angle Q. So, but angle B is equals to angle P and angle C is equals to angle Q. So therefore one can say that angle B is equals to angle E and angle C is equals to angle F. So once I prove angle B equal to angle E and angle C is equals to angle F, we already have angle A equal to angle D, which is already given. So one can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. I hope the proof is clear to everyone. This completes the proof of all the criteria for similarity of triangles. We only have 3 criteria for similarity of triangles, that is AAA or AA, that is angle, angle, angle or angle, angle. Then secondly it is side, side, side or SSS, and thirdly we have side angle side or SAS criteria. Alright, now let's take up some questions based on these three theorems. Alright, students, let's take up a simple question. Question says that in figure, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Now in this, if triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, one can say that AB is equals to AC and AD or let's say AE is equals to AD. Now let's divide these two equations. This is by CPCT. Divide 1 and 2. So we get AB upon AE equal to AC upon AD. Now let me write down AD upon AD equal to AE instead of. Let's write down AD equal to AE to get the corresponding ratios. Let's write down AD equal to AE instead of AE equal to AD. So I'll get AB upon AD equals to AC upon AE. Now AB upon AD equal to AC upon AE are the corresponding sides of triangle ADE and triangle ABC. Now we also have angle DAE equal to angle BAC, that is a common angle. So angle DAE equal to angle BAC, that is a common angle. So one can say that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by SAS criteria. So by side angle side criteria we are able to prove that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. I hope this is clear to everyone. Let's take up some more questions. Alright students, let's take up another question. The question says sides AB and AC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now to prove this particular result, we need to have a construction. Let's extend AD to E such that AD is equals to DE and join EC. Similarly, extend PM to N such that PM is equals to MN and join NR. So I repeat the construction that I have done. I have extended AD to DE, AD to E and such that AD is equals to DE and joined EC, and similarly I have extended PM to N such that PM is equals to Mn and joined NR. So let's write down, draw AD equal to DE, join EC, and draw PM equal to Mn and join NR. Now the thing which is given to us is that AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR equal to AD upon PM. This is given to us in this question. And we need to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now, let us consider triangle ADB and triangle EDC. Triangle ABD and triangle EDC. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, AD equal to DE, and BD is equals to DC because AD is the median. So I can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ECD. So one can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ECD by SAS criteria of congruency. The SAS criteria for congruency. Now similarly I can say that triangle PQM is congruent to triangle NRM. So similarly I can say that triangle PQM is congruent to triangle NRM, again by SAS criteria. Now once I get these two triangles and these two triangles as congruent, so I can say that AB is equals to EC and PQ is equals to NR. So let's have this. AB is equals to EC and PQ equal to NR by CPCT. Now let's call this angle as angle 5 and this angle as angle 6. Now we already have this ratio AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR equal to AD upon PM. Now let me what we should do, let us write down EC instead of AB and let's write down NR instead of PQ, NR instead of PQ, and instead of AD and PM let's write down 2AD and 2PM. So the same ratio can be written like this. Instead of AB I am writing EC, so EC upon NR, instead of PQ I am writing NR, equals to AC upon PR equal to twice AD upon twice PM. In the ratio it doesn't matter if I multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. Now what is twice AD? Twice AD is AE and twice PM is PN. So this ratio becomes EC upon NR equal to AC upon PR equals to AE upon twice PM is PN. Now in these two triangles, triangle ACE and PRN, we have EC upon NR equal to AC upon PR equal to AE upon PN. So one can say that triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRN by SSS criteria of similarity. So if these two triangles are similar, triangle ACE and triangle PRN, one can say that angle 5 is equals to angle 6, because these two are corresponding angles of two similar triangles. Now similarly we can prove that angle 7 equal to angle 8 by joining BE and joining QN. So similarly I can say that angle 7 is equals to angle 8. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Now let's add these two equations. On adding 1 and 2, I'll get angle 5 plus angle 7 equal to angle 8 plus angle 6. Angle 5 plus angle 7 is angle A and angle 8 plus angle 6 is angle P. Now once I get angle A equal to angle P, I already have AB upon PQ equals to AC upon PR. So therefore one can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS criteria of similarity. I hope this question is clear to everyone. This was a quite lengthy one, but it's a very important question. It has been asked in CBSE board exams multiple times. Alright, this brings to the end of this video from my side. In the next section of the videos, we will cover areas of two similar triangles theorem and Pythagoras theorem and the questions based on that. So again, as I request everyone to please like my channel, like the videos, subscribe the channel if you really like the content. Please share it with maximum people possible and keep watching, keep learning. Thanks a lot. Thank you.